In this video, I will explain how to use the AI tools of Remix. These tools are very powerful and they will boost your productivity. And since these tools are already embedded in Remix, there is no need to open a separate browser tab. Everything is at the same place. Very convenient. So make sure to watch this video. What I will show you is based on the Remix AI, an AI technology developed by the Remix team. Remix AI has many use cases such as explaining an existing code base or generating code. And we are going to cover everything in this video. First, I'm going to show you how to use Remix AI to explain a whole smart contract. So for the example, this is a token contract with a charity fee that is going to donate some money for each transfer. To use Remix AI, we will click on the robot icon. And in the console below, you will see an explanation of what this contract does. So let's see what we have here. So we have the structure of the smart contract, the variables, the constructor, the functions, and a summary here. So let's see if this is accurate. So in summary, this contract is a custom ERC20 token with a charity fee feature. Yes, that's correct. Then transfer allows the owner to transfer a specified amount to another address, and it's similar for transfer from. And here the AI understood that both functions apply a charity fee and donate it to the charity address. So it looks pretty good to me. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Remix AI to explain a part of the code. Sometimes we don't need to understand the whole contract, but we just want to zoom in on a specific part. For this example, I picked the router contract of Uniswap v2, which is a popular decentralized exchange. And I want to understand this function, which is used to make a token swap. So first you select the portion of the code that you want to understand. Then you right click and you select explain this code. And after Remix AI will give you an explanation down below. So let's see this in detail. So here it gives us a general introduction. The Solidity function is part of the Uniswap router and is used to swap tokens in a specific path. And after we will have more detail. So here we have a description of the different arguments. And after we have a description of what the function does step by step. For example, here it says it calculates the amount of each token in the past that will be received as a result of the swap using the getAmountsAdd function. The result is stored in the amount array, and we can verify this. And here we can see that this is the case. We call the getAmountsAdd function and we store everything in the amounts array. So this is a very accurate explanation of what the code actually does. Next, I'm going to show you how to better understand compilation errors with Remix AI. So let's go back to the previous code example where we want to create a token. I'm trying to override a function from OpenZeppelin, but there is a compilation error and I don't understand the error. In this case, you can go to the compilation menu, scroll down, and in the error message, you click here to get more explanation. It's going to send to Remix AI the compilation error as well as the code of the contract. And with this context, Remix AI will be able to explain in more details what is going on. And it's also going to show you how to fix the error. So let's copy paste the solution. Now let's compile again. And this time it's working. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Remix AI to better understand Solidity. In the console, you can ask any questions about Solidity by prefixing it with SolGPT, then your question. For example, how can we override functions in Solidity? And now we have some explanation with some code example. Pretty neat. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Remix AI for code generation. For those of you who have already used GitHub Copilot, this is very similar. When you want to use this feature, first you need to activate it here. Then you create a comment with 3 forward slashes. Then you describe the code that you want to create. For example, let's ask Remix AI to redo the transfer function. You press enter. Then Remix AI will make a suggestion. Then you review the suggestion. And if you accept it, you press tab. And now the code is saved into your file. And you can see that the code generated is pretty close to what I did myself. So it's pretty good. The last feature I want to show you is code suggestion. For this feature to work, you need to activate Remix AI Copilot. Let's say we need to restrict the access to certain functions in our token. We start to create a modifier for that. Then inside, we press the space key to activate the code suggestion. Remix AI will make a suggestion based on the code of your contract. So in our case, it's almost correct, except that it thinks that the charity address is the admin. What we really want is a separate admin address. So we need to help Remix AI by creating an admin address. Now let's try to use the code suggestion again. And this time, this is what we want. And we can accept the suggestion by pressing the tab key. Alright, that's it for this video.